What's up, guys? So for this video, we're gonna talk about the Irwin Vise-Grip, wire stripper, crimper, and cutter. I basically bought this one for one thing. It's for the screw cutter, basically. So I got this one from Lowe's for $11. So I think that you can able to get this on Amazon as well on the same price or around that price, or maybe lower on upcoming Thanksgiving. I mean Black Friday. So first, before I remove this from this thing, so let's go and check the description first. So this is all the sizes for wire cutters. So you can see on this video if you really need this or no, or just in case. And at the back, okay, and it's made in Taiwan. All right, so go ahead and cut this one with my scissor. Okay, so it's finally free. Oops, sorry about that. All right, so I have this. So this is the exactly measurement that I needed to. This is gonna be my comparison length. So this is the one that I needed to cut right here. So basically, I'm just gonna make sure to. We're gonna make sure to put them, together, so you can see the size that you needed to. I mean this way, because we need to copy the length of this one. So I put it on the wrong way. So this is the right way to do it. So let me just get my marker. Okay, so I got my Sharpie here. So let's do it again. And so that's the thing that I needed. So make sure that I'm gonna mark it over here. So this is the length that I needed. Okay, so it's already been marked. And make sure to place this on the right hole, because there's basically the size on this one is the 8-32. So I'm not really familiar with the sizing, but this is where it fits the most. I mean, perfectly fit on this hole right here. So, which is, I already did the testing earlier. It cuts perfectly with no extra effort. So I'll make sure to twist this one a little bit. a little bit, until we get into, I think that's, yeah, that's the mark right there. So I'm still gonna keep on twisting it in. I think that's it. Let's see if I hit the right thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. See, I'm just gonna use my one hand basically. See, that's how easy it is. You don't have to use both hands if you have enough strength on your left or right arm, or but it's still, and it's still gonna stay, I mean, still gonna stay in the hole, so it's not gonna go, you know, it's not gonna scattered or whatever. So there you go. Let me open this one, and there you go. Yes, you see it drop off. So the marker, I don't see the marker that we just marked right here. So I didn't, so I made the wrong one. So make sure that this is, so okay, so I made a mistake on that one, so let's do it again just to be clear, because this is my first time using this anyway. So let's do it again. Well, let's just okay, let's insert it a little bit more. I think that's good. So okay, we got a little bit piece. So we're almost right in the mark. Let's focus the camera. We're almost right in the mark where we put our marking. Almost. See the little space right there on the right side. Let's do it again. But it's worked perfectly. But the thing is, there's no exact measurement, so you just kind of have to guess, because you cannot really see in between these things. So, well, oh, actually, you can able to see it in here. See? Let's focus again the camera. See? Right there, you can able to see it. Because the hole right here on the front is the exact size of the screw, but the hole back here is way bigger, so you can able to see the measurement of, you know, so you can able to see your markings. There you go. Just open it like that. See? Just open it like that, and you will able to see right there. See, there's a gap in between right here, so you can able to see your marking. So let's try that one more time. There you go. Just cut the piece off again. There you go. So we finally cut it on the exact measurement that we wanted. There you go. Okay, let's do it one more time. So let's do it one more time. Okay, I'm gonna mark it again just so we understand it fully. Okay, that's my mark. Okay, so I'm gonna insert this one again. It's like we're kind of playing, but yeah, I really like this. Or you just needed to count this one. So one, the layer of the you know, I don't know how it calls, you know, this layer, the one, if you know what I'm talking about, but this one right here, the layer. So we're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7. And we also have our mark, so let's see. We really need to focus the camera. Yeah, it's really hard to see. Yeah, so it's really hard to see if you're doing the right, if you inserted it correctly. But the most important thing is, you know, it. By using this tool, it's very easy. So, all right. If you're gonna use both hands, it's way easier. See, I did the exact same thing. So I'm gonna do it one more time. Oops, not enough. Not enough. Let's do it one more time. But as long as you need to cut less and less, you can able to, you know, able to see what really length that you needed because of this back thing right here. I think we got it. There you go. Perfect. And I think that's pretty much it for this video. So hope you guys learned something from it, and if you like this video, please subscribe. So please support my channel. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.